Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. We just got rid of the spatial anomaly that was here. It's gone now. So now I guess the mission is get back on your ship, but it doesn't really say what the mission is. Oh, I have a photo mode pack. What does that do? Unlock some photo modes, stickers, and frames. Okay. I don't know what that does. So it says I'm supposed to go into my ship. Anyway, I'm going to go back to this thing. I'm going to go back over here and see if I can get that. That's the one I was jumping at. And we're going to go maybe through this little... Let me see, that's the one inside the... what is that? Our little hideout. That's the hideout. Actually, there's a thing over here too. How come I missed this one? This is the one that's on the platform I couldn't reach. This one I can't get to because I can't get on that platform. So let's go over... Well, we're right here. Let's go to this one. Where is this at? Is this out on the... Is it out on this guy? Let's see. Wait a minute. Where is this at? Well, let's try this here. Okay, that didn't work. What's the point of that? How do you... That's pretty good. You do that pretty fast, eh? Okay, you do that real fast. So is this where the... Yeah, it's right here somewhere. We don't want to go into water, though. Oh, there it is. Cool. Okay, we got that. Yeah, this is where all the ramps are, I guess. There's nothing really out here. I don't know what's on that island. We've already cleared it, though. And there's more stuff on the side of that. Wait, no, we gotta go back this way. Alright, let's go this way. That's tough. Okay, so what's over here that we didn't get before? What did we not get over here? Let's go see.
Mort, you fixed it! Thank
Mort.
you. Ready to go?
Absolutely.
Looks like there's something over there. Yep, there is. There's some more stuff right there. Let's grab it. And it's up high too, but I think I can get that one, huh? There we go. We got that one. Okay, anything else out here? No. Okay, we're covered. Alright, let's go. We gotta go get us a little an uber slug. Go this way. Alright, so where do I want to get an uber slug at? We want to go to the hideout. Not to the hideout. We want to get... We don't want to go this way. That doesn't get me anywhere. I don't want to go that way. That doesn't get me anywhere. That's the hideout. We want to go back through this tunnel here. Which is this way, right? But there's no nests over here, is there? Let's see. Is there a nest over here? I didn't see one. No, there's no nests over here. This is where I want to go though, right? Yeah, I want to go that way. I want to go through there. Alright, there must be another way to get over there. I guess around here somewhere. Because there's a slug nest over here. Let's grab some of this stuff. There's a nest over this way. Let's grab us Let's grab us a slug. Alright boys, saddle up, lock and load, here we go. Okay, there's a place we can't get on. Now where do I want to go? I want to go all the way over here somewhere. This way? Yeah, this way here somewhere. Can't go that way. Really? Where am I at? What did I do? Run into a wall or something? Alright, let's try it again. Sounds like he's farting. Let's just go around this thing. This way. Can't get up there. Or can I? No, I can't get up there. I'm gonna go this way. This way. Where am I at? I want to be over there. Oh, I can do something here. Oh, another wall, huh? Now what does that do? That gets me... That gets me over to here. I wonder if there's a wall on the other side that gets me to that other one. Doesn't appear to be. I don't know how you get over there. Wait a minute. There's a... What does that do? That L1 is kind of stuck on my screen. I don't know what's going on with that. Alright, let's do this. Oh, this guy again, huh? So he respawns. I should be able to hit that. Come on. Did I get it? Nope. I don't know how you get that. That's pretty close. Sorry, guys. It always pushes you away. Let's go this way then. Oh, I got it that time. Okay. Okay, but I don't want to fight that guy over there again. Leave him alone. Okay, we got that one. And what's over this way? I think I need a speedle to get over there. Well, we got something over here, but that's... I guess I have to go past this guy. To that tunnel over there, eh? I don't see any speedle nests. Okay, was there a speedle nest on the other side over here? This way. There's a possibility because there's a ramp that goes down there. All right, let's see if we can get up here. Nope. Doesn't look like I can jump on that wall going this way. Okay, we made it to here. See what this does for me. Can I get up there? I cannot get up there. Why did I really get you? Hemmed in this thing, don't you? This area. Alright, so if I want to get through there, I gotta go fight the nasty beastie again, eh? That's the only way out of here. Because there's no nests here. I can't get it. I can't get me a ride. So I can't get up here. I have to go from that platform over there. I suppose I could run through there. Alright. Do this without dying. I guess I could hone my weapons on that guy, couldn't I? Alright, so let's put the ricochet? Is that what that is? Can't remember. That's the ricochet. Alright, let's just go buy this guy here. Really? I like this weapon. Oh, we're out of ammo. Alright, let's grab a speedle and get out of here. Alright guys, let's go. Just where I want to go? I forgot. Yeah, this is it. I don't know how to get that L1 off my screen. It won't go away. Alright, so there's a speedle nest here. And there is some kind of a... Oh, there we go. Alright, there's a raritanium right here somewhere, eh? Oh, more morts. Where's the raritanium? It's like I'm looking right at it. Where would it be at? Over here? Am I still out of ammo with my other thing? Yeah, Ricochet's out of ammo. Okay. Oh, raritanium is up there, so how do you get up there? I mean, that's off the map. Am I wrong about that? I was over here, which is below this area. Okay, there's something over here. Let's go this way. I got some ricochet ammo. Where's my ricochet? I don't know about the ricochet. Here we go. Let's ricochet these guys, huh? I like that. Alright, so there doesn't appear to be a way up there. That's the hideout. Okay, there must be another... There must be something else that happens in this area. That allows you to get on top of stuff. Kind of like in Horizon Forbidden West when you finally get to fly a Sunwing. Maybe there's some way you could fly up on some of this stuff, because that is like nuts. That's off the map. That's up there, and it's over here. Well, it's over here. But it's off the map. How's my ricochet doing? Looks like it's still ricochet out of ammo. Okay, we're still out of ammo with that. And that thing needs an ammo upgrade. Oh, this guy here. Okay. So it's up there. And there doesn't appear to be any way up there. Unless there's something in this direction. Get out of the way. Okay, what if I go this way some more? Which I already did that, I think, didn't I? And go this way. Yeah, this is the, there's the hideout. Right? That's what's up there. Yeah, that's the hideout. And there's nothing here, which makes you... It says you can go up there. And there's my little island I can't get on either. Very weird. Okay, that's strange. It might prove itself somewhere along the line here. So what other things do we have that I can't get? Can't get that. Can't get this. Oh, we have this thing here. Let's go into the hideout and see what that's all about. We got time to go in there and check that out. I'm sure that's another puzzle. Jumping puzzle or some kind of puzzle. Okay. Where's that at? It's right there. How do I get into it? Just jump down here? Guess so. Okay. Oh, well, there's what I want over there. There's an armor thing over there, but... Okay, we have to... I guess we have to jump and not get blown up. Okay, let's just see.
I can't believe my horoscope was actually right!
Is there a bad guy over there? Can I get him? He's right there. I can get him probably. Let's see. So if I do this, this looks dangerous. I gotta get up there. That's the object. That's the goal to the puzzle, is to get up there. Huh? Let's do this. Get this out of the way. I blew that one up. Okay, that didn't help me any. Whoa! I just jumped right over that. Okay. Alright, let's try it again. Oh, wait. Can I take these? Oh, yeah, I guess I'm return. I almost walked right by that. What about this one? Ricochet ammo. Nice, okay. Okay, go this way. Okay, go this way. This way. Okay, we don't want to hit that. It's going to blow it up if I do. But now I can hit this one. I guess they're like time bombs. You have so much time to get across it, eh? Okay. Can I hit that guy from here? Uh-oh. I just blew up my only way across probably though. Okay. Do they come back? They do, they respawn. Okay, here we go. Okay, that wasn't too bad even for me. How do we get out of here now? This way, I guess, huh? This way? This way? Okay. So what do we get? I didn't even notice. Armor. Another helmet? No, we got something here. What's this? Robot disguise boots. So what does that give us? That gives us decrease of damage by 10%. And this is a decrease of damage by 10%. So we have a decreased damage by 20%. That's pretty good. Plus we have melee damage 5%. Okay. Alright, well, that was fun. Wasn't as bad as I thought it was. What's here? We don't want to go this way. I guess we want to go out the other way again. If I can do this without dying. This way. Wait a minute. Is there a way to get out of here? Going this way? I think so. I'm not sure. Don't want to fall off the ledge here. There's ledges here somewhere. Here's one. There's another one? Yeah. Okay, so we're out here now. This is where I just came in. I guess this is the only way out of here? No, there's another way out of here. Over here. Oh. Okay, so I can go back out this way and grab me a ride and then come through that tunnel there. Okay. Except I can't get out this way. Uh-oh, now I'm stuck. Alright, we gotta run around the side. We gotta run around the top again. Sorry. Yeah, go down this way. Catch a speedle and then go through the Oh, the frogs are back again. Good, I can do some ricochet stuff with the frogs. Use my gun and ricochet the frogs. That's mega fun. I like that weapon. Get all my frog bolts. We good? We got all the frog bolts? No? Still a few more. Because they're everywhere. Alright, let's go over here. Some more crates over here. More ammo crates, that's good. Ricochet ammo, nice. So we're full on ricochet ammo again. I need the... We're gonna go look at the girl over there and see if we can upgrade the ammo on the ricochet. How much I can carry. Alright, here's my pocket rocket over here. We gotta take that through the tunnel over there. Alright, dude, come on, let's get it. Where's he at? There he is. Really? Okay, so that wasn't that far. Alright, let's go see if we can upgrade the ricochet ammo.
Been noticing more speedos skittering around in you.
Alright.
Testing season.
You here for weapons or ammo?
Ricochet, ricochet, ricochet. What can we do here? No, we can't. We've got this all. I guess that's because we're on level 1. So I gotta keep using it.
I think they'll get the message.
Increase max ammo. Yeah, we got all this ready. Okay. Alright.
Leave it so soon?
Alright. We got everything else? Alright, so let's call it a video right here. And then we'll jump on the ship and see where we need to go. If you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.